Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Opera Startup. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Opera Startup, and it depends on what you're talking about. But today, I'm going to teach you about the two startups. The first startup, when you open up your tab, you start up. So that's what it's called in Opera. It's also called the startup. And the other startup, I'm going to teach you about the when you start up your computer, will your Opera open with your computer like that? So there you go, guys. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do is open up your Opera, then click on the three horizontal lines on the top right. After clicking on the three horizontal lines on the top right, go down to go to full browser settings and click on that. After clicking on that, just go down, go down until you see startup. There we go, startup. Once you're here at the startup, you can just begin with fresh with start page. So whenever you on this, whenever you close your Opera, for example, right here, I'm gonna close my Opera. Okay, my Microsoft Edge, and I'm gonna close my Opera. Whenever I close my Opera, watch, close my Opera, then open it up. It always goes right here. So if ever I'm gonna open up, I'm gonna teach you this. If ever I'm gonna make it to the second one, do the retain tabs from previous session. As you see, let's go right here. Let's type in YouTube, then put in guide glimpse, guide glimpse. There you go. Then close this, open up again. As you can see, right here, there's the guide glimpse. See? But if you don't want to see this, like if you want to directly go to the guide glimpse, close that. Right here, go down. Then remove this. Display this the start page first. Then just close it. Close. Right here, guide glimpse, and close it. And open your Opera again. As you can see, it goes directly to guide glimpse on YouTube. And here's the other choice for the last one. Right here. Open a specific page. So add a new page. So let's copy the guide glimpse and paste it here. So when this is run right here, open the specific page, this will open. So we're gonna try it now. Close and close everything. Open up Opera. Wait for it. It's opening up to guide glimpse. So there you go, guys. That's another way to start up, but this one is for the PC to start up the Opera. So the second one, just open up your type in startup apps, and then choose the Opera option right here. Once it's on, it will also start up with your PC when it opens up. And you can also do the taskbar. Go to taskbar. Once you're at the taskbar, click on startup, then choose the Opera. As you can see, right? Opera right here. You need to enable it. It needs to be enabled. If it's like this, disable, it will not start up with your computer. So there you go. Click on enable. There you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys. So when choosing which one you want, choose the second one right here. Choose the retain tab from previous session. Because when you're using your browser, sometimes you most likely made this mistake by clicking on the X. So and losing all your stuff. So the best choice for you is by the second one. Retain tab from previous session. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.